Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, the 7th of September, and we are glad to present you our weekly analytical review of the foreign exchange market. Last week, the pair EUR/USD continued to trade within the lateral range at 1.1840 and reached the support level of 1.1810 with the opening of trading. If the price consolidates at 1.1780, this will give a prospect of a further decline to 1.1693. Otherwise, growth will resume to 1.1936. Technical indicators confirm a slowdown in the global uptrend. The range of the Alligator indicator's EMA fluctuations continues to narrow and reverses downwards. AO histogram is trading in the positive zone, forming descending bars. This week, one should pay attention to the preliminary data on the Eurozone GDP in Q2. Further decline seems possible, but the likelihood of growth cannot be ruled out. Last week, the pair GBP/USD continued its correctional decline and ended trading at 1.3280. The local support level of 1.3138 is the key for the sellers. After its breakdown, a decline may continue to 1.30. Otherwise, growth will continue to 1.3377 and 1.3513. Technical indicators confirm a possible beginning of a deeper correction. The range of the Alligator indicator's EMA fluctuations began to narrow. AO histogram is trading in the positive zone, while forming the bars with a downtrend. This week, one should pay attention to the data on the UK GDP and the production output in the manufacturing industry for July. The continuation of a corrective decline is more likely, but growth, if the price consolidates above 1.3377, cannot be ruled out. Last week, the pair USD/JPY continued its downward correction and is now trading near 106.23. The level of 105.36 seems to be the key for the continuation of sales. After its breakdown, a decline may continue to 104.18. Otherwise, growth will resume to 106.53 and 107. Technical indicators confirm a possible continuation of the downtrend. Fast EMAs of the Alligator indicator are below the signal line. AO histogram has almost reached the transitional level of 0, but it is still below it. This week, one should pay attention to the data on Japan's GDP in Q2. The continuation of the correctional decline seems more likely, but the resumption of growth, if the price consolidates above 106.53, cannot be completely ruled out. Last week, the pair AUD/USD corrected downwards and reached local support at 0.7282. It is likely that in the near future a new attempt will be made to decline to 0.7238 and 0.7076. After the breakout of the local resistance near 0.7372, quotes may start growing up to 0.75. However, currently such a scenario seems less likely, as technical indicators confirm a possible formation of a downward correction. The range of the Alligator indicator's EMA fluctuations is starting to narrow. AO histogram is trading in the positive zone while forming the bars with a downtrend. This week, attention should be paid to the publication of the Business Confidence Index from the National Bank of Australia for August. Generally, a continuation of a decline seems more likely during the week. Last week, gold quotes continued to trade within the narrowing range of the forming triangle pattern and ended trading at 1933. Currently, the downtrend potential does not look completely exhausted. A breakout of 1969 will give a prospect of resumption of growth to 2063. A breakdown of 1909 will give a prospect of a further decline to 1862. Technical indicators do not provide a clear signal. Fast EMAs of the Alligator indicator crossed and cancelled the buy signal, while AO Oscillator histogram reached the sells without a directional trend. This week, one should pay attention to the energy market forecast from the US Department of Energy. A decline is more likely, but one cannot exclude the resumption of growth after the breakout of 1969. That's all for today, and good luck with your trading.